Best Adventure Motorcycles 2025, BMW F900 GS. BMW Motorrad has once again set the benchmark in the adventure motorcycle category with the launch of the highly anticipated 2025 F900 GS. Building upon the success of its predecessors, the F900 GS combines robust performance, advanced technology, and versatile capabilities to cater to the evolving needs of adventure riders worldwide. Designed to excel both on and off-road, the F900 GS promises to deliver an exhilarating and dynamic riding experience while maintaining BMW's reputation for innovation and quality craftsmanship. Dynamic design and engineering. The 2025 BMW F900 GS features a striking design that blends modern aesthetics with functional design elements tailored for adventure touring. Built on a sturdy steel bridge frame, the bike boasts a commanding presence with its rugged bodywork and aggressive stance. LED lighting enhances visibility in all conditions, while a high windshield and adjustable ergonomics ensure rider comfort over long distances. The F900 GS is equipped with dual-purpose tires and an ample ground clearance, emphasizing its capability to tackle diverse terrains with ease. Powerful performance. At the heart of the F900 GS is BMW's potent 895 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, engineered to deliver impressive power and torque. Generating approximately 105 horsepower and 92 Nm of torque, the engine provides robust acceleration and smooth throttle response across a wide range of RPMs. A 6-speed gearbox with optimized gear ratios ensures precise shifting, while optional features such as BMW's ShiftCam technology enhance fuel efficiency and performance. The F900 GS is designed to handle both highway cruising and off-road adventures with equal prowess, making it a versatile choice for adventure enthusiasts. Advanced technology and connectivity. BMW has integrated advanced technology into the 2025 F900 GS to elevate the riding experience to new heights. A high-resolution TFT display offers riders intuitive access to essential information such as speed, navigation prompts, and bike diagnostics. The display supports BMW Motorrad connectivity, allowing seamless smartphone integration via Bluetooth for managing calls, music, and navigation apps directly from the bike's controls. Multiple riding modes, including rain, road, and off-road, enable riders to optimize the bike's performance based on terrain and weather conditions, enhancing versatility and adaptability. Comfort and versatility. Designed for rider comfort and versatility, the F900 GS features a robust suspension system with adjustable components, including front forks and rear shock absorber. Ergonomically designed seats and handlebars offer a relaxed riding posture, reducing fatigue during extended journeys. Additional features such as heated grips, cruise control, and accessory options for luggage ensure that the F900 GS meets the practical needs of adventure touring enthusiasts, providing ample storage and convenience for gear and essentials. Market impact and availability. Anticipation for the 2025 BMW F900 GS is high among adventure motorcycle enthusiasts and BMW aficionados globally. Scheduled for release in major markets, the F900 GS is expected to appeal to riders seeking a premium adventure touring motorcycle that combines performance, technology, and comfort. With its competitive pricing and comprehensive features, the F900 GS aims to set a new standard in the adventure motorcycle segment, reinforcing BMW Motorrad's commitment to excellence and innovation in motorcycle design and engineering. Conclusion. The 2025 BMW F900 GS exemplifies BMW Motorrad's dedication to delivering adventure motorcycles that excel in performance, technology, and versatility. Whether embarking on cross-country expeditions or navigating challenging terrain, the F900 GS offers riders a dynamic and exhilarating experience, underscoring BMW's reputation for precision engineering and innovation. As BMW continues to evolve its adventure motorcycle lineup, the F900 GS stands out as a testament to the brand's commitment to pushing boundaries and setting new benchmarks in the adventure touring segment.